Our passion for woodworking goes beyond the joy of creative expression. That includes the partnering with our clients to co-create interiors they love to live in. I am continually honored when clients call to tell me how well their custom cabinetry has held up for more than 3 decades. And now they've moved and it's time to build another equal to the previous one. I continue to have the highest level of enthusiasm for this work as I first found it more than 40 years ago.
I am the proud owner of this kitchen, and it's truly a masterpiece. I have a gallery in my kitchen, which is what I really wanted. There's never a day that goes by that I'm not appreciating how beautiful it is. With Randy's ability to listen to what I wanted, it's just exquisite.